Here we have a JBL speaker. It was dropped, and now what I am told is that it does not work off of the charger. So we need to check the connection to the battery. Okay, I'm getting 3.4 volts from the battery. Alright, this is a 3.6 volt nominal voltage battery, so it is a tad low, but it's probably just dead, honestly. Okay, this thing is taking 0 amps. That's a really bad sign. I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and see what's going on. Okay, now it's taking 2.6 amps, which shows normal. I mean, I didn't do anything except assemble it outside the housing, so I guess it just needed to be reassembled. I mean, this does sometimes happen. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this charging for a while, see if that charges up the battery, and then see if this thing works on its own. If that works, I'll reassemble it and it's good to go. Alright, so the speaker is mostly charged up. Let's see if it will operate without the charge cable on it. Okay, it looks like it's fixed. I just gotta put it back together.